Good morning everyone. I haven't done a vlog, or have I ever done it? Like where I took you guys with me for like the day. So I thought I'll do that today. And this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a, what are they called? Polar necks, like but a sweater. So I'm warm because it's super cold in London. Got this oversized coat from Zara, that's H&M. Got some fall leggings and boots. And as you can see, it's like wet and gross. And yeah, I'm just waiting for the bus because here in London, driving into central London is a little bit of a nightmare. That guy's jogging in the cold, man. That's what I should be doing. So yeah, we usually take the bus and the train to go into central. So I'm meeting a friend for lunch and I'm just gonna do a little bit of shopping and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. That's the bus.
To Stanmore Station.
Well, I missed the train, but it's okay because I always get the coffee from here. Their coffee is so good and I can smell, oh, it smells yummy. £1.90 coffee, that's so good as well. I think it looks nicer at night, but still love London. So we decided to have some dim sum. I haven't had dim sum in so long, so I can't wait. So of course, best place to go to for dim sum is Chinatown. Here is Deborah, my friend, who I'm having for lunch. Ooh. No, who well, I suggested dim sum, so she's not been to this place, so I'm really hoping she likes it. Because normally she always takes me to amazing places. So now it's my turn, so let's see. Let's hope it's good. So I love that you can see how they make the dim sum. That's so cool. So it's all freshly made. We're in Covent Garden now. Gonna grab some coffee in a bit. It's always some entertainment. I've never seen this. It looks so nice. First stop, we decided to go into Lisa Eldridge. Yeah. Deborah is a huge fan, so she's taking me. So I've got it on right now. What do you guys like? It's very yellowy in here. Yeah, better lighting. I like. Updated Milan, it started raining, so I put my hair in a bun. So yeah, so we had like a nice lunch and then we went around central. I just ran some errands, had to buy a few things. Now I'm on my way home. I'm tired. I feel like walking around in central is literally like a workout in itself. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my day out, even though it wasn't anything exciting, but just like something, you know, something different to my usual stuff. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time,